This Pinterest account has 78 followers but getting 131,000 monthly views, and in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find viral pins like this so that you can earn daily commissions just like this. You don't need millions of followers, you can do this even as a complete beginner, and this is the only tutorial that you actually need to watch. Welcome to the Capio Digital Marketing channel, let's dive in. Now, before we actually start using Pinterest to get free traffic to your affiliate links, you need to find the right niche to get into. The way that I actually found this pin idea is by going over to trends.pinterest.com, because over there, I can actually research different keywords. So you can search for a keyword over here, maybe you follow some trending products on TikTok or on Amazon, or you just have an idea. So let's say, for example, you can now start typing over here, fitness, and it's going to show you all of these different keywords. And on the right-hand side, it's going to show you how trending that is right now. So we can see that fitness isn't a good idea as of right now. So I just kept searching for different things. And so when I started typing home, something that I really like and enjoy, I started typing home, and then I saw that this keyword, home decor, actually is booming right now. There are a lot of people searching for it on Pinterest. Now, to research my idea further, I just went back to Pinterest and I just searched for home decor, and then we can see all of these different pins and whether they're getting any traffic or not. So we can see that this pin over here has been posted by Decor Home Ideas, and they have 255,000 followers, and they're actually getting 10 million views per month. So an account like this could be easily making at least $10,000 to $12,000 a month. And I want to show you how you can legally copy and paste someone else's images, posting your Pinterest account like this, and make money from it. Grow the Pinterest account from scratch and also monetize it in different ways so that you don't actually need a camera for this. You don't need to spend any money to create content. You can literally copy and paste free content in the next 10 minutes, and I will show you exactly how it works. Now, first things first, every Pinterest account, including this one over here, has a banner, has a logo, the name, and then the bio of the account that represents what the account is about. And you also want to stick to only one particular niche. So that's why you want to use the trends on Pinterest to see which niche is going to be good, and then just dive straight into that one and don't get your focus divided into all of these different niches. In other words, don't let the woman in the red dress distract you. But anyways, now we're going to create a banner. So whatever it is, you want to go over to canva.com, which is a free graphic design tool. And if you search for banners or even Pinterest banners, you can find a lot of different templates to choose from. And this is honestly kind of like a fun part, because now you can just go through the different templates and find something you like. Let's say I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to click on customize this template, and I can fully change it. So I can change this text over here, and I'm going to call my page Capio Home Decor. So I just want to add a headline over here that represents exactly what my page is actually about. And you can fully customize the fonts and the colors. The entire template is fully customizable. So I'm going to remove this, and I'm also not going to be promoting any website for now. If you have a website to promote, you can, of course, add that and just fully customize this as you prefer. On the left side, I can search for home. I will find some very interesting images, and I will just drag and drop that. All of these images from Canva are completely free to use. So I'm just going to drop it like this, and then I'm going to click on the share button, download, and download as a PNG file. Now, we can also generate a logo with Canva by simply typing in logo design over here, and we can find all sorts of different suggested templates. And then just pick whatever you prefer and then just customize it. So I'm going to call it Capio Gardening Idea, and this is how the logo is going to look like. Pretty simple. I'm going to download it to my computer by selecting only this one page. I don't want to download all of them. And now I have a logo, and I also have a banner. Now, you will simply go over to your profile, you will click on Edit Profile. You will change the profile picture. In this case, I'm just going to add the logo, which I generated with Canva for free. Then I'm going to change the name. And in the name itself, you want to make sure that if you do have the key keyword that you're trying to rank for. So in this case, I'm going to call my store Capio Home Decor, but I'm also going to add home design, whatever the keyword is trending right now. And then for the About section, I will just simply ask GPT to write me a 200 characters bio for my Pinterest account that also includes a hashtag that can use a relevant hashtag that's hopefully going to help me rank higher on here. Now, this is how my profile looks so that we can start making money with affiliate marketing. Now, to find content for your Pinterest account, you can simply go over to TikTok or Instagram or any other social media platform and just find an influencer that is already posting in that niche. So here's one. This Pinterest account is just re-uploading TikToks and getting millions of views a month. And as you can see, he is just crediting the TikTok user in the description of this post. And you can see that they do get 1.3 million monthly views, which is insane. And they're literally just re-uploading TikToks, so they attract all of these people interested in woodworking so that they can promote something on their page. This is a great account that I found that is in the home decor and home inspiration niche. And all I got to do is just hover my mouse over these posts, and I just want to see which one of these is getting more engagement, getting more likes and comments, and just overall looks better than others. And here we have it. You can see that all of these posts have about 100 likes or 50 likes, but this post over here particularly has 888 likes. So what we can do is we can copy the image of this post, which already has higher engagement on this Instagram account. And now I can paste it into SavvyInsta.app, a free website where I can just download these images to my computer for free with no watermarks. And then I can go back to my account on Pinterest, and then I can click on Create a Pin. So we're going to create a pin. You want to click here to upload that image. You want to add a title. You want to add what the pin is about. And you can also use creativity for this. You can ask it to generate a description for your pins. But most importantly, what credit the person from whom you actually got the post. So in this case, I'm just going to copy the username of this account, and I can even tag them here on Pinterest. Now, for the destination link, this is where you actually make money from your pins. Here's a very creative idea. So there is a website called kit.co where you can create a kit with literally any type of product that you don't even own yourself. So those are like different affiliate links that you can add to your own store, to your own kit. Let me show you what that means. So you can just click on the plus icon over here. You can click and create a kit. And in this case, I want to create a cozy room kit. So in this store that I'm creating with products that I don't own, I'm just going to add different things that I believe someone who wants to have this type of room would need to buy. So I can literally search for home decor, and I can start adding different products. You just search for that, you click on add, and that product is going to be added to your store. So if someone goes to your store, they can buy multiple products. Again, I can search for like home decor, or if you recognize some of the items from the picture that you've gotten, then just search for it here on the kit.co and then just add that with one press of a button. So I'm going to add this to my kit. You want to add at least 5 to 10 different products for this to actually make sense. And if you think about it, someone who is searching for home decor and home inspiration on Pinterest, they are looking for inspiration of what they can do with their room. And when they're in their home, so when they open this up, it's going to be very handy for them. It's going to be very useful for them to have a link where they can just click and buy all of the products. And we are helping them with exactly that, and that's why this actually makes money. That's how you're providing value, helping these people, and making money along the way. So you can now copy the link to share for this store, for this kit that you made. Then you can just paste the destination link here, and you can click on Save. You can also create a board specifically for, let's say, home decor, and then click on Create. Make sure this is a public board and then just click Share and save this to your Pinterest account. So that was my first pin on this account. This is what that looks like as of right now. Someone can see this, they can click on this link, which is going to redirect them to the store where they can purchase the items from the actual image. And I'm going to earn affiliate commissions because all of these are connected to Amazon. So if you have an Amazon Associates account, you can earn affiliate commissions just like that. To see more free tutorials just like this one, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in some of the next ones.